Hello guys, Sawan here. Welcome back to another video. So you all experienced service outage recently on major platforms like Google, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. So these all attacks shared some common factors. These all attacks were due to failure of the network. Many other companies were also compromised such as FireEye, SolarWinds, etc. So let's dive deep into all of this just after the intro. First of all, let me introduce you to some big names. First is SolarWinds. Guess 500 big tech companies. 90% of these companies use SolarWinds as their network management tool. It provides all network related services to all of these big tech giants. The name of the service it provides is called Orion. So in March of 2020, SolarWinds pushed an update, and along with it, the attackers also injected a Trojan malware to create a backdoor in the system. This type of attack is known as supply chain attack. As you can see here, the image of supply chain attack, it is done by two way. Either you are creating a replica of a software, or else you are adding some malicious code into the software. So adding some malicious code into software is what the attackers did here. This malware was written in .NET and was injected inside of a DLL file. You might have heard about the DLL files if you are playing games or any of that sort. And yeah, you might have heard about that. And the malware was around 200 megabytes. Most of the antivirus software only check for files less than 5 megabytes. So attacker uses it as an advantage and make the file size big enough. So until the antivirus detects the malware, it already has compromised the system. So the attackers now has access to all the major tech giants. FBI also gave the statement that it is a state-sponsored attack, which means this attack is backed up by any country and a government. So of course they will point it towards Russia. You may ask, how did they execute such a big attack? You may recall the same outage happened to Google before some time. I guess it was the date 14th December. It was an attack on Google account server. So the attack basically was on Google account server. So if you would be using any Google services in incognito, then it will work. For example, if you are logged into YouTube, then it wouldn't work. But if you watch it in incognito mode, then it will work. It's because if you are logged in, then whenever you open YouTube, it will first send account verification request to Google account servers, and it will check that is the user validated, authenticated, and all of that stuff. So and the servers were compromised, so it would send some error response. This attack was done on 14th of December, and on 8th of December, an organization called FireEye, a cybersecurity service provider company, announced that their systems were hacked. So as you can see here, the article FireEye, a top cybersecurity firm, says it was hacked by a nation state. So the attack on FireEye was also a state attack. FireEye is one of the biggest cybersecurity company whose clients are defense agencies of US, FBI, National Treasury Department, and many such high-profile clients who uses FireEye services as a cybersecurity tool. FireEye quoted that attack was done by a nation with top-tier offensive capabilities. They said hackers used novel technologies. It simply means they used some new technologies which were not yet seen by anyone, which could be useful in mounting new attacks around the world. They said they were not shocked about the attack. The shocking thing was what attackers got access to during the attack. These companies have two teams, Blue Team and Red Team. So the Blue Team checks for basic overall security, and the Red Team performs various attacks on the client system and try to compromise it. So basically they try to hack into the system, and some of these attacks are so complex that they require automation for it. So they create a red box. It simply means they create servers and test all the attacks into virtual environment under some controlled circumstances. Even Microsoft and Google quoted that they have never seen such complex attacks before. That's the thing that attacker got from the company FireEye. They stole the details of all these attacks. FireEye provided all the key elements to the Red Team, to all the companies, so they can prevent such attacks from happening. So how all of these relate to each other? So now the attackers have access to backdoor entry of all the big organizations with the help of Trojan they delivered in DLL file during the SolarWinds update, and the attackers waited until all the companies has updated the softwares and were compromised. After that, they also have access to some best attacks from FireEye. So they can easily perform those attacks, and just after few days of FireEye came out public about the attack, Google's network was compromised. Recently, same happened with Facebook and its various services such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook Gaming and all of that. And you might have also seen some errors like if you have opened Instagram, then it will say couldn't refresh feed. So it was basically a network attack only. Such attacks will continue happening in the foreseeable future. So what you can do about all of this? As these attacks are state sponsored, their main targets are US as of right now and their big companies. But what should we keep in mind? Shouldn't we upgrade our softwares? No. You must update your software whenever you get the update, as every update resolves many security breach. If you have set your antivirus to scan only for executables, then undo it, as nowadays most of the malicious code is injected inside the DLL files, and whenever a DLL file is called, it will run the code inside of it. This way the Trojan will get activated. I will link down some of the great articles in the description box, and if you still want more information about the same. So that was all guys. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and if I said something incorrect, then I do not quote any of my words here. If this helped you clear your doubts about all of these attacks, then do like the video and share it with your friends. And for more such videos, do consider subscribing to the channel. See you guys in the next one.